If your savings are sitting in a basic bank account, you could be missing out on interest. Many people leave their money in the same account for years without checking the rate. But savings rates can vary dramatically between accounts, and the difference can add up over time. Before moving your money, compare the interest rate, fees, access, and protection offered by the account. Your savings should not just sit there, they should have a purpose. Once you know your current savings rate, compare it with other options. Look beyond the headline interest rate and check fees, withdrawal rules, minimum balances, and whether your money has the protection you need. A higher rate can be useful, but only if the account fits your needs. You don't have to chase every small difference. The goal is to find a safe, suitable place where your cash can earn a reasonable return while staying available when you need it. A good savings account isn't only about the interest rate. Before moving your money, check how the account is protected and what rules apply if the bank fails. In the US, eligible deposits at FDIC-insured banks are generally protected within legal limits. In the UK, eligible deposits at covered institutions may receive protection through the Financial Services Compensation Scheme. Always verify the protection for the specific account and institution before making a decision. A higher savings rate can be attractive, but the highest number isn't always the best choice. Check the account's fees, withdrawal rules, minimum balance, and access to your money. A slightly lower rate may make more sense if the account is easier to use and has fewer restrictions. Think about the whole package, not just one number. The goal is to choose an account that balances a reasonable return, safety, flexibility, and convenience. Don't let your savings become money without a job. Give each portion a clear purpose, such as emergencies, a future purchase, or a short-term financial goal. This makes it easier to decide how much to keep in cash and how much may be suitable for other goals. A simple system can prevent you from spending money that was meant for something important. When every dollar has a purpose, your savings become a tool for building financial security instead of just a number on a screen. Once your savings grow, think about where each part of your cash belongs. Money you may need soon should stay easy to access, while money for longer-term goals may deserve a different strategy. The important thing is not to move everything just because another account looks attractive. Match the account to the purpose and timeline of the money. This can help you stay flexible while avoiding the mistake of keeping every dollar in one account that may not be working efficiently. Your financial setup should not be something you check once and forget. Set aside a few minutes each month to review your savings balance, interest rate, fees, spending, and upcoming expenses. Banks change rates and account terms, while your own financial needs can change too. A monthly review helps you catch problems early and make small adjustments before they become expensive mistakes. You don't need a complicated spreadsheet. Your savings strategy should change when your goals change. If your emergency fund is already strong and you have more cash than you expect to need soon, it may be worth reviewing whether every dollar still belongs in the same savings account. Longer-term money may have different options, depending on your goals, timeline, and risk tolerance. Don't move money just because something sounds exciting. Understand what you're choosing, what could go wrong. Before moving extra cash into longer-term goals, make sure you have an emergency buffer. This money is there for unexpected expenses like repairs, urgent travel, or a sudden drop in income. The right amount depends on your situation, but the key is keeping it accessible and separate from everyday spending. That way, an unexpected bill doesn't force you to use a credit card or sell investments at the wrong time. The best financial system is one you can follow without constantly thinking about it. Automate your savings, regular bill payments, and other important transfers whenever possible. Then review the system once a month to make sure everything is still working. Automation reduces missed payments and makes saving more consistent. You don't need to be perfect with money every day. Build a simple system, check it regularly, and let good habits do more of the work for you.